Today I'm excited about trying on a palette that I actually purchased last year. It would be the Tarte Sugar Rush in Frosted. Beautiful sort of plum cranberry shades with plenty of sparkle. Let's give it a try. I already have all my makeup on with the exception of my eyes. I did already put on my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. I like to use that for my eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with all over with this color here, Buttercream. I'm going to use my MAC 217 blending brush, which I use for many different things. It's a fantastic brush. If you don't have one, I highly recommend them. So I'm just gonna start with this Buttercream and just blend it all over just to give my eyes a nice base for the rest. All the way to the top. I leave a little space underneath my brow there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my shader brush, and this is also a MAC, one of my favorite MAC shader brushes, but unfortunately the numbers are worn off. But any shading brush like this will do, and this is where I'm going to take a darker color and start applying it as to camouflage my hooded eyes. These colors are so pretty. Today I'm going to go for more of a, I think I'm going to go with more of these sort of pinky colors versus these seem more of a brownie. I'm going to stick with pinky purple shades for today. Next up, I'm going to use this color here in Indulgence. I love the pinky shades. Plums, cranberries. Perfect for this time of year. I'm going to use more of a precision brush to get a much darker color to create in here almost like a smoky eye look. I also will use the same brush under here. I'm gonna go in here. I wanted to stick with the plums and purples, so I'm gonna go with this dark shade here. It's called Decadent right there. So I'll pick some of that up. And go right in here, a little bit up there, and then I just go in a little bit here and here. Always staying in line here as much as possible with my eyebrows to give more of an uplifted look. Sometimes I'll take that dark color and just kind of go along my bone line there with it. I'm going to take the lighter shade first and give that a try with my bottom lid in case this Decadent is too dark for me there. For the lid, I want to get some sparkle going, but before I do that, let's go ahead and blend in what we have so far.
We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.
Looks like I've got some shadow stuck in there, but I think it's just my wrinkle. Oh well, I'm gonna go in next with this color here. It's called Temptation, and I'm gonna use that on the center, and for the inner corner of my eye, I'll go with a little lighter shade of sparkle. I'm going to go in the inner corner of my eye with much lighter color. I'm going to do this one here, which is called Sweet Tooth. Using a much smaller brush here. I always like to take that same color and just with a very small brush, just pat it right there in the corner of my eyes. I find that gives a really nice look. Sometimes I might even do a little bit along there like that. I'm going to take my black and I'm going to line my upper waterline first. When I wear these plums and purple shades, I really prefer to use my brown eyeliner for my top lid. So I'm going to use my MAC Fluid line in brown for that. I'm also going to do some liner on the bottom lid, just about halfway. And again, I'm going to use brown. I think that looks really great with the plum colors. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. And finally, we'll just finish up with some mascara. You make it shine. See that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. This is Lancôme Big Monsieur, my favorite mascara. I look at you and know it's all right. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you... That's it. I like the look. I think next time I might try more of these browns and coppery colors as opposed to the plums. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a terrific day. Bye.